Got Elfsky.
Come on, gang. Oh! Word. Look at that. This shit's retarded.
Smells like dick.
Why you
Yo. Yo. Hard to break character, nigga.
Why you started I'm definitely gonna hit some shit. Oh shit, right in the neck.
Watch the car. Oh, Bobby. Bobby, bring it back, Bobby.
It's gone. It's gone.
Bring it back, Bobby.
I'm trying.
Back, Bobby. No, back. The tree. Back, Bobby. Bobby. Bobby, you can't control that shit, Bobby. I can't see it.
Fucking to that.
Bobby, you suck.
Yo, he's out. Yo, he's outside too.
God,
Bro,
dude, you
he's
can't
out.
do shit.
Bro, he's outside. He getting it. He getting it. Joe, dumb
I'm
ass.
trying to learn how to fly it.
Never again, bro. Go to the backyard.
I should go to the backyard with it.
He's getting it for you.
I'm not touching it.
Bobby's special today.
Hey, my fault. I'm trying to learn how to fly it. No, that's alright. I got you.
Back on the little secret. He has a 2 point. What is it? No, he has a 2.4 4-cylinder Honda Accord engine under here. So the K24 swapped.
It's a Honda Accord.
K24 swapped Elantra. Is Elantra or Sonata? It's Elantra. It's Elantra today. He doesn't like me calling it Elantra. Then we got the real big V6s back here. He ain't got nothing on us with his little 195 horsepower.
180.
This man got the horsepower. He's on a life or death situation.
You want to see the horsepower? Look at that Corona.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Embarrassing.
I'm trying to get the sugar daddy. I don't got no time for that bullshit. I be somewhere handling. You know that sound. We can't too back line. Keep some background. If they play with us, it's smackdown. Off the top road, we not go. I go focus out. Don't beef about the road. Because we go 1 kilogram. Free brothers down the road. I advance when it bought a load. Niggas screaming that they shine as soon as we catch them like we know. Up some big shots, big mom, they dance. You might be right, but I'm standing on that phone. Had no look to watch my back with this. Why BG work the dope? They been hating, got me off for snake shit. Bitch, I'm still the GOAT though. I bring switches. I'm born tricky, bitch. I tricky, bitch. Thought I was a lick, think you were an acorn. Hit the white girl with my hoodie on and wish this for check. In the class, so I'ma push it. Temper most, we come with 100 guns before they put me. I ain't even know the ops. I told her just to pop, they look suspicious. I'm getting older now, my young niggas run shit. I haven't been it. I'm the only one that paid for this Ferrari, that's a nigga. They looking for me. I'ma be outside the drop top fitness. No, she looking for me. Cause I ain't just saying, I said. Cross that gun, I'm boy, I did it. Man, what am I with this kid? Ain't in all that shit, but I did it.
Behind the scenes. Might be hard to explain it, but we just lost one of the customer shit, but fuck it. Oh, we looking for it like a maniac. Found it?
I'm retarded. I don't know why. I don't know why I wouldn't just put it next to it. I'm stupid as hell.
What was it?
Huh?
What color was it?
Man, I don't even know.
I think it was.
It's right there. It looked like a fucking leaf. That's crazy.
That's crazy. So.
Alright, fuck it.
Alright, good. Let's go back to this vlog now. That's enough content of far back. Let me go ahead and get up and close and personal. Look, you gotta let that red just glide. Like that. Just like that. He's the expert at this. Let it glide. Like that. Just like this. Make sure y'all always get where the cracks are at. Because if not, you're going to leave dirt inside of it. Grab that mirror, clean the mirror off. Just like that. It doesn't matter how y'all do it on the glass. It just matters how y'all do it on the paint. So for the glass, y'all can go like this. Or like this. But only with the paint, you only go like this. Medium, not even a lot of pressure, just like this to keep the towel on the paint. He over there scrubbing the rims and shit. I'm gonna make sure everything's in goodness. Get all the dirt, all the cracks and crevices. Just like that. I feel like that's cool. I'm gonna go wash the other side. Call it a day. While he work on the rims. Just like that. Fuck. Tell me why the hose broke on us, right? Look, we just rigged it up. Like, let me get this for you back. But yeah, the hose broke on us, and that shit almost went through my finger. But we're still working with what we got. But hold up. Yeah.
Yeah, that's all definitely more powerful than this. CRV for this shit.
True. It's only $500.
Huh?
Only $1,200.
That's what I'm saying. It can tow the trailer. It can tow. All we need is generator, a little all we need is a little trailer.
I buy a CRV just the purpose to drive it. Cause my car be too loud in the morning.
Is there a trash can or anything?
Yeah, in there.
Can you throw this shit out?
Alright, so everything came out perfect on the vehicle. Waiting for the customer to come out. We got tire shine on.
That's a lot more organized now.
Got him. Interior came out perfect. Still smells like piss. I don't know what they did in this car, but it stinks. But yeah.
I don't even want to get close to that, bro. It's like in my nose. Wow.
Yo, some crazy shit. I tell you, that car smell like piss. Hold on, me ain't vlogging right. But yeah, that car smell like piss.
Bro,
And
the garage smells like that because of that trash.
Yo,
Outrageous.
horrible.
There's a key.
Let's get the hell out of here.